Hey guys, how's it going? How to enable or disable Wi-Fi calling on Mint Mobile. So first of all, go to the settings and then go to phone and then Wi-Fi calling. Let me go to the phone and then go to the Wi-Fi calling right here and make sure that you disable or enable the Wi-Fi calling, and then toggle the Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone to enable or disable for that matter. And for Android, go to the settings, network and internet, mobile network, and then move along to the advanced and then Wi-Fi calling, toggle it on or off. This will enable or disable Wi-Fi calling on your Mint mobile line. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. You will definitely see you in the next one.